So this is your fascia add-on with the sacral chakra. Go ahead and grab a bigger one of the balls that you've been using. And what we're gonna do is work on the glutes. Yay! So grab the ball and set it underneath your glute. Hi, okay. And send your leg straight and long, whichever one that you're working on, whichever glute, whichever side. This side of the leg is going to serve as our leverage point. So if this is too much to be on your wrist, go on down to your elbow. And you want to roll around, explore the glute, let anything out on a sound. Letting that out. Connect it to your sacral chakra if you can, and spend at least 2 minutes here, okay? Really going slowly into all the muscles in the glutes. Then we're gonna go to the side, same side, don't flip yet. Put this into that sweet spot of the hip, okay? So we're kind of turning onto our side here. That leg is still long, and now here we're gonna go back and forth. Go really slowly. We really want to go slow working on the fascia. So do that a few times. And then we're going to do what I like to call the Jane Fonda leg. So we're going to lift and lower and lift and lower. Make sure you're always scanning for any tension anywhere where you can release it. Please do. Do that about 10 times, really slow. And then we're going to bring our knee to the chest. And then back and forth about 10 times. So that's the whole sequence all on one side. When you're done, you're going to take that out. You can either sit or lay down, find neutral, and feel the difference between both sides. It's gonna be a lot, I bet, okay? And enjoy how much this can relax you, okay? And then flip to the other side. And that's it. So have fun with this. I really like this one. This is a really nice thing. You know, you can bring this anytime you're traveling. You know, this is a nice thing to do. It really is relaxing. And so enjoy this sacral chakra add-on.